of fact, the Nigerian police, the Nigerian state are trying to make criminals out of us. We are the victims. They are trying to make the victims the criminals, and they are trying to make the criminals the victims. What do I mean by this? We have been attacked. We have been attacked by state agents here. We have been attacked by state boss. We have been attacked by state dogs. And you know what the police seems to have been doing? This police seems to have been, begging the criminals. They have been begging the criminals for us. Can you imagine? They are begging criminals for us. They are begging criminals for us. No, the road belongs to the generality of the public, of members of this society. The road does not belong to anybody. And as a matter of fact, we are here to educate the mass of our people. We are not just here to dance. We are here to educate people. And that is what we are doing. We are trying to make criminals out of us. We are the victims. We are the ones that state boys and state dogs are actually organizing Pagere for. We saw it yesterday. They were shooting them, but we're peaceful, and we are still peaceful. As a matter of fact, we have agreed to leave a lane. We have agreed to leave a lane. But in spite of that, the state dogs and the state boys, in complicity with the Nigerian police, have been trying to get rid of us. They have been trying to do that. You can see now they are trying to, they are trying to contain us. They are trying to contain us from the right, and they are trying to contain us from the right and from the left. They are trying to contain us, but we will not, give up. We will not chicken out. And we should send this message across to the Nigerian people. See, this struggle is about the generality of our people, and we are not in any way apologetic, because we are here to educate the mass of our people. Yes, and education shall we give our people. Yes. You cannot beat us with poverty. You cannot beat us with poverty and still say you want to be the judge on how we cry. Because that you are beating us and you don't want us to cry. And we are telling these people that are calling themselves traditionalists, so-called traditionalists, so-called Oro people. One check. Because you cannot hold on to the people's struggle. Our spirituality, all these useless people say this and that, they don't know anything about Isheshe. Shango was a warrior. Ogun fought against injustice. Orumila stood for justice. So the point we are making is that we are not going to chicken out. We are struggling for our future. We have been told that the wealth of 3 Nigerians will help poverty in this country. We are not going. This society belongs to the youth, and the youth will take back this society. Yes. No, they said it's okay. Government needs many of us so